Meaning of EDI.
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 EDI. EDI stands for Electronic Data Interchange, which is a standardized electronic communication method used by businesses to exchange data. It allows companies to exchange important business documents such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices in a paperless manner. EDI improves efficiency by reducing manual data entry, lowering error rates, and improving supply chain visibility. It also enables businesses to respond quickly to changing market conditions and customer needs. Overall, EDI streamlines the exchange of information between trading partners, helping companies save time and money while improving customer service.